Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of paper cup production. We're here to showcase a fully automatic paper cup making machine in action, demonstrating the efficiency and ingenuity of modern manufacturing. Watch as it transforms rolls of paper into essential everyday items we all use. Witness the seamless conversion from raw materials to finished products. Scene start. This is where it all begins with paper reels. These reels are the foundational raw materials for our paper cups. The machine expertly draws the paper, which then undergoes a meticulous process of forming the cup shape, utilizing heat and pressure to create a sturdy and leak-proof container. Visual the machine in full operation, showing the forming, cutting, and sealing process, highlighting each stage in detail with close-up shots. Observe the seamless operation of this advanced machinery. The machine efficiently forms, precisely cuts, and flawlessly seals the cups at an impressive speed. This automated process ensures not only consistent quality, but also remarkably rapid production. It's truly a marvel of engineering, a testament to innovation and automation, and a crucial element in meeting the ever-increasing demand for disposable cups. Notice the precision in every step of the process. Visual finished paper cups being dispensed, with various cup sizes. And here we have the finished product. Ready-to-use paper cups, available in various sizes to suit different needs. These versatile cups are ideal for a wide range of beverages and other purposes. They provide a convenient and hygienic solution for hot and cold drinks, making them an indispensable part of our daily lives. Scene end. Now, let's hear from the owner of this impressive machine. We will delve into the details, discussing the initial investment, the intricacies of sourcing raw materials, and the consistent demand for paper cups across diverse markets. Visual interview with the owner, setting factory floor near the machine. Interviewer, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Could you start by telling us about the initial investment required for this state-of-the-art machine? Owner, the cost of the machine varies depending on the specific model, the production capacity, and the advanced features it offers. However, it's generally considered a worthwhile investment, given the high and consistent demand for paper cups, which ensures a good return on investment over time. Interviewer, that's interesting. Moving on, what about the crucial raw materials? Where do you source the paper reels, and what factors determine the quality you require? Owner, we source our paper reels from a select group of reputable suppliers who adhere to strict quality standards. The quality of the paper is absolutely critical, because it directly impacts the cup's structural integrity, its ability to withstand different temperatures, and ultimately, its overall performance. We look for specific paper weight, coating, and printing capabilities. Interviewer, and what about the market demand? Who are your primary customers, and what sectors drive the continuous need for your products? Owner, we're fortunate to have a consistently strong demand from a wide range of sectors. Tea stalls, commonly known as dabas, are significant customers, as are various offices and corporate environments. Event organizers also rely heavily on our cups for serving refreshments. Interviewer, so, to meet this robust and diverse demand, you're constantly producing cups? Owner, absolutely. The need for paper cups remains steady throughout the year, making this a sustainable and promising business venture. Our ability to provide a high-quality product at a competitive price ensures that demand remains high. Visual show various uses of paper cups at a busy tea stall, in a modern office setting, and at a vibrant outdoor event, emphasizing the versatility and ubiquity of paper cups. As we've witnessed, the automatic paper cup making machine is an essential piece of equipment. From bustling tea stalls to the daily operations of offices and the festive atmosphere of events, paper cups are, without a doubt, indispensable. They are a staple of modern life. Visual return to the machine in operation, with a final shot, showcasing the continuous production process. Thank you for watching. We sincerely hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the automated paper cup making process. The consistent demand for these cups makes this a resilient and promising business. The efficiency and quality of the production are truly remarkable.